Have you ever bought a foundation just because your favorite influencer recommended it, but it looked completely different on your skin? Then this video is for you. Today I will show you two foundations which are drugstore or little higher than that. We will use them practically and I will show you which one looks best on Indian skin, how to use them differently, and how to make both of them look equally good. Hi everyone, I am Himani, a professional makeup artist, and on this channel I use and show practical makeup tips that actually work. So let's just get started. So today's contenders are these two foundations. One is from LA Girl and another one is from Charmis Milano. But here's the thing, one of them is not automatically good. Let's try both of them on my skin and see which one gives a dewy effect and other one is matte. Talking about the packaging, the Charmis Milano bottle looks like this, and I find the cap much more secure because it just comes with a tight lid, and while traveling it's easier to use this because there's no fear of the bottle opening on its own as the cap is quite tight. See it's quite tight. Whereas the LA Girl bottle, the packaging is equally good. The material looks same all over. However, I feel the cap is little loose, and if I'm traveling with this bottle, there is a fear of the cap coming off. However, there is no fear of spilling the foundation as it's a pump formula, so there is no harm carrying this as well. Let's try the textures of both the bottles on my hand. So this is Charmisi and this is how it looks. Okay, this gives a very matte finish and the texture is smooth enough, as you can see it here. Let's keep it sitting on my hand for a while and see does it blend or does it just come off. Let's try LA Girl till then. This one is a little more dewy. It's more dewy. It's little less, the consistency is a bit thinner than this, and supposedly this is a dewy foundation. So let's see how it comes on my skin. Also, to find out which shade matches your skin, always try the foundation on your like side of your cheeks, like on a jawline, never on the hand. Okay, so I'm using both the foundations that are quite close to my skin tone, and this is Charmis Milano number 4. As 5 I find guys little yellow on me, and 4 is a bit little lighter than my skin, but I find this still usable because I don't feel pale after using this. So let's try this on this side of my face. I'm trying this, taking this on my makeup plate this much. I'm just done the skin prep and there's nothing on my skin, just the sunscreen, and I'm directly applying this. I have also applied a bit of primer just to blurify the pores on my face, and straight away I'm applying with this foundation. As you can see, this is sitting smoothly on my face. I'm not going too high on the under eye because I literally need to conceal a bit of my under eye with darker concealer, else it will look grey. So I'm just doing it at other areas. Little bit on the forehead. Still left with something. Okay, so I'm blending it down till on the neck. Okay, so yes, it's just gone into my skin, and I think it looks quite matte, as you can see. Let's try the other one on the other side. It's LA Girl on my plate. This much. This is shade number 44. My closest match is shade number 45, but right now I'm running short of that foundation, so I'm using shade number 44 because 46 is again very yellow for me, and 45 is perfect, and 44 is a bit slightly lighter to my tone. Still, I'm using it to show you guys. Okay, so undoubtedly this foundation has way more coverage with the same quantity. I have taken just one swipe on my plate and it's covering all my cheek. I think it's even more. I don't even need this much. Can you see? The foundation, this coverage is amazing. And I'm just taking the leftover on my forehead because it's little pigmented and I have not wearing any concealer as of now, so that I can show you the fair comparison between the foundations. Okay, and again, this is LA Girl and it is so much left on my plate. Taking it to on my neck. Okay, so let me just blend it a bit more with the blender so that the application is all even. We are done with the application and I think you guys can see, so let me just show you some close-ups. So this side looks more matte, as you can see there's no shine on this side of my face. I have not applied the powder yet, however I just want to show you the exact coverage and finish of these two foundations. So this is Charmeuse Milano side and this is quite matte, no doubt. It just sticks to my face and I think yes, now this is also dried up. If you can see, it is just not coming on my finger. It just, it dries like, shouldn't say, but it just dries like paint. And I love this to use professionally, especially if my client says that they sweat a lot. I use this foundation peacefully and I know that the foundation will not move. No doubt we have to prep the skin, we have to use other products like primer drops and other ways to make it long lasting, but yes, this foundation does not move for sure on from your face. If somebody sweats, if somebody has oily skin, somebody wants the makeup in monsoons, in summers, extreme heat, go for Charmeuse Milano because it really gives you very tight finish, matte, completely sustainable. This side, if you see, this is quite dewy, by far my favorite foundation in the market. LA Girl I have been using for I think last 10 years. I just keep on buying the next, bottles of this few similar shades. And any client who tells me I want very dewy finish, or somebody if I see with a clear, clean skin, especially in winters or in safe season when it's not sweaty or it's not humid, I go with LA Girl. My favorite foundation so far. You can actually see the difference. This is more dewy, absolutely shining on my cheekbones, and of course this gives beautiful coverage in least quantity. I hope you guys noticed I just took one drop I think, and that was even more on my face. Given the fact that I have not used any concealers or correctors on my face, this is the coverage that I am getting. Also remember guys, makeup is not just about using right foundation or a particular type of foundation. A lot of other things like your skin prep, your primer, your powder, the technique, everything taken together gives you the perfect look that you want for yourself. So in simple words, if you want dewy finish and if you have dry to normal skin, go for LA Girl. If you have oily to normal skin, go for Charme Milano. And if you have combination skin, then it totally depends what kind of look you have designed for yourself. What is the occasion, what is the time that you're going to attend. uh, it will help you decide what kind of foundations you need for yourself. If I had to choose one foundation as a makeup artist, I would choose LA Girl for sure, because of its beautiful coverage, the dewy finish, and the velvety finish. But I like to keep both because every client's skin is different. Which finish do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make more such videos on affordable products, then do let me know in comment section. And don't forget to subscribe.